Okay, here I am shooting some video of the outside. We have not been able to clean the outside for a little while because we've had a lot of wind and dust, and then rain and stuff happening. Doors open. My wife's on the inside right now dealing with some stuff. But the body is in excellent condition, as you can see. There's no dings, dents, nothing. I've opened a lot of the bays because this particular unit, unlike a lot of units, it's not, the bays are not attached to the slides, and so that gives you some storage above what is the heat ducts and the chassis that are flow through. That one's not. That's a gray tank right there, sewer tank. And but here's one that you can see. You got some flow. You got flow through all the way through. This one is not, but you do have a lot of storage above. But it's a part of the chassis and your heat ducts and so forth that are housed under there. And so you do if you're in a cold climate, it does keep the under bays and your tubing, pipes, so forth, all the way it should be. And I'm kind of getting what I can of the backside here, as far as that goes. Let me slip around this way real quick here, and to the other side. A little harder to get because we're up against the fence here, but you can see that's in good condition. There's a generator right there. It works perfectly, but you can see some slide through space for storage if that's an issue for me. This one has some also. You got stuff in there. Tires are all in good condition, like new condition. The water, and you have two sewer units because you have a bath and a half on this, so you actually have two black tanks and one gray tank with it. And here's some more. You can see there's flow through all the way. Your batteries, you have 4 batteries here, as well as your propane tank, and you have 2 more house batteries on the up in the engine compartment, as well as your chassis battery. So you have 6 house batteries, and they're all in good condition. I maintain them myself, so I know they're in good condition. So that's the outside, the way it looks currently, and a little dusty and dirty, but everything is in very good condition otherwise. Here's the cockpit. As you can see, it's we've put seat covers on the seats. There was, in this location here, a recliner, but it was just too tight. You couldn't use it or the captain's seat right there at all. So we had the dealer, when we bought this unit, take it out. It was worthless. It's a bad design, terrible design actually. So it gave us more floor space and storage space since we were living in this full time at the time. You can see the kitchen. The slides are all in, so it doesn't give you a full concept here, but there's the dining area. It's a booth style. Windows. The slides, when they're out, gives you about 400 square feet of living space. All the appliances work, the microwave, the fridge, which is a full-size residential fridge. I'm kind of walking back, hoping that the light will help me, or will be okay here. But there's lots of storage areas. There's a TV here that's kind of hidden by the slide when you're traveling. This is a king-size bed in the back. That's the master bed. And this is the front. I can't see it right now. The light is not good. But this is the front bathroom, half bath. And the main bathroom and shower is back here. There's storage galore in this unit. If you're planning to live in it a lot or travel a lot. It's a good size shower. You can get 2 people in it easily without too much trouble, as long as you're not huge. Anyway, there's that, and I'll shoot from the other angle here. This is the bed, the top of the bed, window there, another TV, and you can kind of see from here to the front. It's we call it 40 foot long. The manufacturer calls it 39 because it's 39.11 inches. So anyway, that's about all I can do as far as video right now, because all the slides are in currently. You have 2 HP and air conditioning units on the top, as well as an onboard propane furnace.